Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Bruce. I'm Bruce. Today, we're diving into lesson 3 where you'll learn an expression that'll make you sound even more fluent in English. Like last time, it's a phrase that you'll hear often in conversations. So, let's get started. Let's start with today's phrase, off the table. Now, think about a situation where something you wanted is no longer an option. In English, when something is no longer possible or available, we say it's off the table. Now, let's look at how to use off the table in a real-life situation. Imagine you've been planning a big family vacation for months, but the trip is now canceled due to unexpected expenses. You might say, we were all looking forward to it, but with these new costs, the vacation is officially off the table. Here's another example. You've been saving up to buy a new car, but after some unexpected home repairs, you no longer have the money to buy a new car. You might say, I was so close to buying my dream car, but with these new expenses, it's completely off the table. Here's another example. Let's say you're negotiating a business deal with the client, and after a few rounds of discussion, they decide to go in a different direction. You could say, we put so much effort into this proposal, but now it's off the table. This phrase is especially useful in negotiations or any time plans change. Try saying it with me. That's off the table. Nicely done. This expression makes your English sound much more natural. Practice using it in different contexts, and soon they'll be second nature. Thanks for joining me today on English with Bruce. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you next time with more valuable expressions. If you found this lesson helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.